Everyone loves videos where beautiful restaurant-style dishes are made in just a few seconds. But in reality, a lot of what you see doesn't work the way it's shown. That's why, once again, the Defense League steps in. We're taking the most clickable recipes from the internet to the workshop to check what really works and what is just an online hoax.
The air fryer has appeared, and it's an air fryer with a glass interior, what we call the drawer. We'll be able to see everything.
We'll be drooling.
Air fryer will cut the stems. I'm drooling. We just need to convert the temperature to Fahrenheit. 400 degrees Fahrenheit is about 200 degrees Celsius. That's what we have. We've checked.
Come on, are you ready? What are we cooking?
Never do this, never throw food. I think one will be enough for us. You can take one home. I don't know if this is a smart way, but we're doing it quickly.
You're stressing me out, and we have more peelers, and what? And that's it for fries like this. Yeah, and in half, and in half.
And I'll do it in a completely different way. I'll do it like this, I'll just do it like this, and I'll just do it here too. Because I'll leave them with more flesh, okay? So we can feel it, so we'll do it. Mine will be like this, and in a moment it's...
That's quite a lot, I'll tell you, from just 2 legs.
I have the perfect bowl for mixing, and just like that lady, I throw it in here. Olive oil.
We like peppering, yes?
I like it when there's more salt rather than less, and garlic too. I guess you just got your hands dirty, mine are clean, so I'm turning on the air fryer. Click. I said 200 degrees and I said the time is 20 minutes. Yes.
But look, what a nice breading I made.
So since you can see everything in the glass one, Kuba, we'll lay it out so you can watch it. All right.
Well, I'll tell you, it's such a simple breading. I just tried it with the sticks and it was really good.
And now, my dear, we'll make a mix like this. It'll sizzle here for about 20 minutes and we'll move on to the next recipe.
Archer, we were supposed to do the recipe in the meantime, but it went by so quickly that we decided to just finish it properly. The first one?
Tastes like fries with celery, parsley, and leek.
Honestly, I might say sweet potato if my eyes were closed. That's what I delivered.
Yeah, but inside it's kind of sweet. The salt did its job, the garlic did its job, but inside the flesh has a certain texture.
The potato has to be peeled well.
You have to peel it thicker.
Because we did it a bit, not completely. I mean, I think you peeled this one more.
Oh wow, but it's really delicious.
Very tasty. First of all, we're using a part that usually gets thrown away.
But I'll tell you, it has to be thick, really thick, because it needs to have some flesh. Delicious. Let's call the guys. Don't give them broccoli.
Oh man, this is good.
This is delicious.
Milky, milky, thick.
I feel like I'm eating a real potato.
Then it spreads.
It turns green.
You're not dragging yourself like some sweet potato?
No, like broccoli, but it lost that cabbage-like taste.
Oh damn, you're right.
Because it was always hard to taste that core, and now it's gone. It's so subtle.
I'll tell you, for me it's delicious.
The only problem with this recipe is how quickly it disappears.
If you have air fryers at home, make healthy salads. Don't throw this away. It's pure benefit. You can cut it, peel it, etc. Past.
Eggs from the air fryer. Look, we put the eggs in the air fryer, take them out, cool them right away in ice, in cold water, and look. After different amounts of time, we check what condition they're in, and once we do this, we'll know for the future how long to do it in our air fryer,
We have 3 pockets available, a big one.
Yes, we'll do it normally.
So we'll set the time. Wait, how much? 20 minutes, and we'll take them out when there are 8 minutes left. 10 minutes to the end. 8, 6, 4, 2 each. We do 10.
Exactly. Do you think 2 each?
12, yes, that's no coincidence.
Since when do you want to take it out? How many minutes do you think? First after 10?
Because maybe there will be some where we'll see that they're still with the egg white. 120, yes, in time.
Well, 20?
20 minutes at most.
Right, so we'll be taking away from ourselves,
But we have 2 nice counters, we know everything.
So let's wait. First.
We take the first one out after 10 minutes.
All right, Kamer is taking care of the ice, and now I'll mark different times on the board.
3, 2, 1, hold it quick, take it out, pop, take it out quick. After Yannick 1, the second, let's keep going.
Why don't we have a light?
What's going on here?
Didn't it break you?
But I never walked from foot to foot while cooking eggs. It's not a 12 like they say. This is a proper test, not some half-assed one.
We're not taking it. Oh, damn. Ooh, it's soft.
But it's going to be good.
Soft one.
It's missing something, but we'll do it this way. Watch out.
Oh, but this is like for a crib.
Jesus Mary, but here the protein isn't mixed in. You see, it's not enough by tens.
No,
Here it's much more, oh damn.
much prettier.
Yeah. Oh damn, man.
Yeah, it's almost perfect now.
14 will be a torpedo.
Oh, damn, look, that's exactly what I was talking about.
And it always happens.
Much better. Oh, Pawek is leaving, you see? Well, you had the camera, damn.
But too hard.
If he took it out and ate it immediately, it would be perfect. Whoa, no.
And 13, so look.
Maybe 13 minutes.
It will be 13 minutes. Oh,
16.
and here you can already see that we're cutting it closer and closer.
And here it's also harder to collect. I'll tell you again,
That I still wouldn't say it's that bad. Well, this is already overdoing it.
you can start to taste it. It's getting kind of floury. No, I'm already picking the 18. Okay, that's it.
Whoa, this is just like from school, the cafeteria, maybe too much. This is already like a school cafeteria.
And now it's starting to stink.
Careful, something's about to happen, so it has to be dry now. Whoa. But let me tell you this.
They're not that bad.
A 20 is still acceptable.
A 20 isn't embarrassing yet. It doesn't scream embarrassment.
Archie, give your time guess and I'll give mine. I say 14. I'll do 13 solid. You know what, Arthur? I've known you since 2002, so I've known you for almost 24 years, and you've always gained weight in the winter.
Go ahead.
Buy something better, okay? Then we'll lose weight. Well, it's a very simple topic. We've done it before, can we? He has a mandolin, so we'll do the same.
We have one too. Last time you made some yogurt.
Man, as usual, eggs, we throw them in, and then we add some protein powder. Those were the ones for the air fryer, and we go like this however you want, with that apple fruit Greek yogurt. And now the most important question, do we add salted caramel and apple, or do we add cookie flavor? I think so too, or vanilla. Oh my, who are you rooting for? Good one.
I'm for salted caramel.
You're my guest, please go ahead.
Yes, well, great. So let's go, guys. So is this about speed or length? Focus on length, not speed. But no, with this, it seems easy. I think it would be harder with a knife, but no, I guess, oh, you can actually mess this up. You can. Okay, so we've got this, right?
I ate that peel and it got stuck in my throat. All right, the slices have to be as thin as possible.
But probably without the spray?
We have it with the spray. No, Marion, it'll bake anyway. This mandolin is awesome. Archie, this is a great gadget, really. Moving it like this is much better than... So what, look, I've got it here. 2 eggs, Greek yogurt.
Start with water?
Salty caramel, make it strong, Arthur. What do you think? Make it really caramel flavored.
Yeah, it will be interesting. It's something interesting.
But vanilla, you know, but I can't believe how it is.
No, he just tossed everything in and stirred with a spoon. Look,
After he added everything, it's really thick. Add more yogurt.
but yogurt will definitely make it thicker.
Yeah, of course. What is this yogurt runny? Damn, you and those seeds? I separated those seeds.
Yeah, I separated them, yeah.
Dude, yeah, after throwing them in.
Pay for it as usual, like I said, and don't mess with it now.
There's something fishy going on there. If you come over, in my opinion, he just messed it up.
I also think, Kamer, that he baked it first and added the apples on top afterward.
Yeah, he added them later. Criticizing him isn't the issue. The real problem is the air fryer temperature.
Please, damn it, because Bolek.
We set it to the lower rack, 165 degrees.
35 minutes and we'll check it.
30 minutes, 200 degrees. I'll come back to life once more. We'll be back to you with the finished dish.
Good morning, my loves. Is this trash, a dessert, something else, or underbaked? I'll say, it looks great.
100% legal kshiku. You can eat the whole thing. It's so delicate, so good, eh?
Delicious with cream cheese, but with cream cheese, what kind?
Crazy.
Cream cheese, but cloudy.
No, that's close to vertical. Not another crazy one yet.
Hey, don't wait. Give it to him. I need to find one. I'm Sherlock.
Faruk, no.
Krzysiu, close.
There's no cheese here.
Not honestly.
It's unbelievable there's no cheese here. I'm amazed by this recipe, that's all.
It has a lot of protein, but
I poured in about 40 grams.
in my opinion, it's like, as I said, the lost brother of cheesecake, but it's cool. He's happy they found each other. I'm really curious how it's going to taste when it's cold. Oh,
I think it won't be any worse.
I'm telling you. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, damn.
So are we pouring? What are we doing?
We're pairing square pizza.
No, well, it's like toast, maybe pizza toast. I don't know what to call this thing.
The kind I like, sandwiches, dude, yeah.
It looks delicious.
We have a pizza pocket
So think.
that we're more pizza-like than she is.
It'll turn out great because it's simple and budget friendly. I've already prepared the passata. To it, we add a bit of olive oil, pepper, salt, and here we have basil and oregano.
Listen, yeah, actually we can make them separately and everyone gets one, it'll turn out the same, but of course let's arrange it as if it were one piece.
I'll tell you, when it comes to pizza, there used to be these regular pizzas, what I call basic ones. There were electric ovens everywhere. There was just one recipe, just a simple pizza. I'll be honest, if you're young, you probably don't know that kind of pizza, since those basic simple pizzas aren't around anymore. I rarely order them.
Remember when we used to have microwave pizzas?
Well, at home, yeah, I remember. I unwrap it and you keep eating, but it's all spread out. Oh man.
And you want it to be like it's a pizza?
Pasta, you wouldn't last long working in this restaurant, and now for me, they're just too fancy. Everyone has to have that prosciutto, whatever. I like to go to a regular simple pizza place. And now I know why my weight shot up when I record with you. It's true, it happened, but the household budget got a boost because I don't know anymore. At home.
I don't eat breakfast.
I bring?
Hey, I also rarely have breakfast at home. I'm probably joking that there was such a small bag of mozzarella. I'm fooling myself, but maybe it's for the best. I often get bored of it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's better to buy less, but more often just...
If only it were cheaper, not the same as before. 200 grams. You know what's worse? Dropping it now. Not 230 degrees, please. We're doing 18 minutes, just like Shishu Primosh told us here. We're going.
I invite you to try our pizza.
It was nice.
It's constant.
I smell olive oil.
No, really, I'll tell you, it looks amazing.
Oh wow, look how beautifully the cheese melted here.
But I'll tell you one thing.
That this doesn't taste like toast.
No, not at all. To me, bread is basic and this is low quality. That's just how I see it. It's just so-so. Kakopka?
That's what it is for me. Seriously, guys, no kidding. 9.5. It's delicious.
Delicious.
Another piece. Do you also get that when you eat these crisps, they hurt you? Like on the roof of your mouth, sometimes, I don't know, right away, you know what, I just want a beer in my hand.
For me, that's a solid 9.5. And I think that not pressing it down with the sandwich maker gives it that fluffiness. Olive oil, olive oil. Make yourself a sock with this. What's the word for sock in Italian? Sock means cleaning the plate with bread.
Very good, really great.
Rating Primoz, well, I give it 9.5, wow.
Now he'll decide. If we weren't fit every day, we'd eat it right now, but we know that when the camera turns off, we'll finish it off then. Good thing this has covers, Kubush. One for you, one for Kshisho. All right, let's go run it off. Oh, God. We're flying in the transparent one because we need to see everything. Good, because look, the whole effect is there. Forget about the rice. Hop, hop, hop. Interesting angle. I've never done it like this, to be honest with you. Me neither. Usually I just cut it into cubes. The spices are added just like before, however you like. We're talking about the other side. In the glass air sharek, we'll see everything through the window. The sauce. Do you see the mayonnaise? That's why the free-range chicken fillet was bigger. Do you want a glove? No, I won't do that. Which will you do? 2 people will get their hands dirty. Marcin sprinkled the spices. Do you remember which ones? Garlic, paprika, dried onion, and salt. Oh, and salt. She has some really big ones. Not just big, they're huge, but still, we picked the biggest ones we could get. What do you think, Archer? Is it beautiful? It's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. You won't be doing anything here. If I don't do anything, then we won't be eating this. You didn't give it, ma'am, but I think you made a mistake. No, in my opinion, you made a mistake. The spices stick better when it's dry. It doesn't make sense. Everything just stays everywhere. Hey, that's an awesome pattern for serving chicken breast. Listen, it has 2.5 million likes, dude. Likes, yeah, 53 million people. Well, I'm not surprised because it already looks cool, mayonnaise, so we're looking at it like one huge spoonful, another one. Do you like this chili? Yeah, I've eaten them. Oh, so you eat them, right, just like looking out the window. Garlic sauce or sriracha, so we add it. We also have sauce, but that's all. And attention to that 2 spoons of sweet chili, one and another. That's what it's about, cooking by eye. Thanks to those cuts, the seasoning really gets into the chicken. It's actually amazing. Arxie, and she also made it in the air fryer, and now we'll rub it in with our hands. Ole, you really went for it. Oh, Jesus, Mary. How many calories is that, Ole? This is going to be a bomb. The mayonnaise will bake in. Ksichu will be over the moon. Oh, damn. Jesus, my favorite bowl. Let's go up to 80. How much did I say? 20 minutes. I'll be honest with you, that sauce really made it so it's not burnt, but what if we put cheese on it? Oh, thanks. He's whistling at you, really focused, yeah. Hey, when you whistle, whistle again. You're whistling. Inhale, look. But honestly, I'll tell you, it's really juicy here. You know, they're gonna squeal when they come here. Ooh, because there's meat. When there's meat, it's a feast. And when it's a feast, it's a man's dish. Listen, skip the rice because rice is just, hey, it's beautiful, but what are we really going to eat? Not the vegetables, chicken, and the breasts, so you can see its breasts, but nicely chopped, like a fourth chicken. I can taste the water, but honestly, I don't buy free-range ones for home. It tastes like it's from a rotisserie because they're tougher, and I can feel its fullness. It's so airy. All right, let me tell you this. I don't know, because this is some chicken raised for 70 days by Mrs. Helena, and there's a huge difference. It's not that soft, not stiff. It's firm, dense, meaty. This is a chicken that worked out. It's not a couch potato. It's natural. I'll be honest with you, it really looked like a very expensive restaurant dish. It was done in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. No, actually here there's sweet chili sauce. You know, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, and mayonnaise. I know you didn't have it that cold, and when it comes to cold dishes, chicken is my favorite. Honestly, I don't even know if that was the 5th or 8th. We neither say hello nor goodbye at the tower. It's either the end or a new beginning. Watch the next ones and we'll eat.